Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word 69pwndu license plate in depth. First, the definition. 69pwndu license plate means a personalized license plate containing the phrase 69pwndu. Think of it simply as a car's custom message or gamer tag on wheels. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. 69pwndu license plate traces back to the phrase pwnd, which originated from early 2000s online gaming culture as a misspelling of owned. Over time, it's been used by gamers to show dominance or skill. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use 69pwndu license plate in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. He proudly displayed his 69pwndu license plate on his sports car to show off his gamer identity. Correct example 2. She customized her truck with a 69pwndu license plate to stand out at the gaming convention. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to 69pwndu license plate my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using 69pwndu license plate correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. 69pwndu license plate means a personalized license plate containing the phrase 69pwndu. It comes from the early gaming culture, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with 69pwndu license plate down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.